TesStudio Magic Button Dock. Turn the knob to adjust the air conditioning temperature. Press the button to switch to lighting mode and adjust the light color. Press the button again to adjust the air conditioning fan speed. Push the button down or up to open the front passenger door and right rear door. Push the button down to open the left rear door. Push the button up to autonomous driving. Push the button down or up to activate the left or right turn signal. Press the brake pedal and push the button down to P gear. Push the button up to turn on the hazard light. Display the interior lighting effects, which look very cool, right? Press the brake pedal and push the button down to shift D gear. Press the brake pedal and push the button up to shift R gear. Push the button down or up to open the frunk or trunk. Push the button down to Sport model. Push the button up to Seat massage. Push the button down to Battery preheating. Push the button up to open the battery cover and charge the car. Push the button down or up to move the front passenger seat forward or backward. Push the button down to lock the window or door. Push the button up to turn on the interior lights. How cool and convenient is that?